Hey guys, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are gonna be creating a very simple everyday kind of a makeup look. This is me getting ready for my uni. So here I'm using a little bit of vitamin C serum by Garnier. It was a trial pack that I got with the other makeups that I ordered, and it's very hydrating for me. And I'll always start my skincare with any of this serum because I love using serum. So the second step is Emmeline moisturizer. Moisturizing your face is really important. So my favorite moisturizer is Emmeline. I've been using this since 2 years and my skin just glows every time I start with this product. So I'm gonna just massage all of this into my skin very smoothly. So this is my usual kind of makeup routine for my college. That is what I like to do. Here I'm using the Plum's sunscreen. I'm using adequate amount of sunscreen. Sun protection is really important. Do not miss sunscreen. So this hardly takes me 5 minutes to do my makeup. Usually I just stop with this and add a little bit of tint, but today I'm just doing a little bit of eye makeup kind of a thing. Here I'm using this tint from L18. This is the perfect dupe for Benetint. This is just like very pigmented. It stays for an entire day. Also has like really good color. So hands are enough to blend this. So I'm just gonna blend it really well. You can also use a cream tint if you do not want to use a water-based tint. This is something that I'm currently loving. So I'm using my fingers to blend the eyes as well. You have to be very quick when you're doing this because or else it just like gets stained and it doesn't go. So whatever is left out, I'm just gonna apply it onto my chin as well. So the next thing is my eyebrows. I always like to fill my eyebrows so that I look more presentable, more natural. I need spectacles if I'm not wearing lenses. So this is how I usually do. I remove the spectacles and I stand in front of the mirror. But since we were recording a video, I couldn't do that. So I had to go in with my spectacles. Sorry for the lighting. I was more concentrated on doing my makeup rather than looking into the camera that how is it looking. This is it. I've just filled in a very little gaps. So the next and the most important thing is compact powder. I like to set my face with a little bit of compact powder. Since we're not using any sort of concealer or foundation, I don't like to use foundation and concealer on a day-to-day makeup look. I like to keep it very natural. More of a skincare and very little bit of a makeup. This is what I like to do on a daily basis. So I'm using like a fluffy brush and just putting a little bit of compact powder. Now I'm using kajal. I'm using Faces Canada's kajal. This is my absolute favorite. It doesn't smudge. So I'm gonna line both my waterline, the upper as well as lower waterline. So this is me getting ready around at 5:30 in the morning because my college schedule is like at 7:30ish right now. So I like to put in that little effort and get ready in the morning. It just keeps me more productive in a day. That's what I believe. And now I'm gonna line my eyes a little bit with eyeliner. I'm just gonna line very near to my lash line. You can go thick or thin depending upon your choice. You can also do a little bit of wing if you feel like. I'm not wearing spectacles, that is why this is my halat of doing my makeup very near to the mirror. I'm so sorry for this. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other eyes as well. I love doing kajal and eyeliner when I'm wearing kurta or anything that's ethnic. I'm really sorry for the lighting. And this is my eyes, and now I'm gonna be using the same eyeliner and putting a bindi. I was very concentrated in doing my getting ready rather than filming a video. So now I'm gonna be using a brown eyebrow pencil or a lip pencil to just fill the, not really fill, just line the lips. Some days I do fill it with the same pencil if I don't feel like doing a lipstick, or I just put tint, or I just put a little bit of a gloss depending upon what I feel like. So today I was doing a little bit of lipstick, so I just went in and lined my lips. I'm trying to fill a little bit with the same lip pencil. This is a kind of a burgundy shade, it's not brown, and I'm using my absolute favorite lipstick over here. This is a very rustic brown lipstick from My Glam. I really don't know the shade. The shade name is gone in this lipstick. I've used it so much and I absolutely love this particular lipstick for its formulation, for its stay. Also, the color is so beautiful that it matches my skin tone really well. If there's one lipstick that I have to use for rest of my life, then that is going to be this one. And now I'm gonna just top it up with a little bit of pink by again My Glam. They make amazing lipsticks. They have really good formulas. This is the matte range of them which they launched very initially. So this gives a little bit of a different pinkish brownish kind of a lip color. I'm just going to line the lips a little bit using the same liner that we used. Last but not the least is my chandan and kumkum. This I do on a regular basis when I'm stepping out, or even when I'm getting ready. I like to put it. That's a thing that I do. That is what my parents do as well. And this is my final look, you guys. I really hope you guys like this. It's very simple, very put together, but still makes you look very presentable. So I really hope you guys like the video. If you did so, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.